Hey, this is Joe with the Joe's Carpet Cleaning. I'm gonna be working today on this RX20 rotation machine locking system. The original bolts, it's small and usually loose. I'll show you as it looks like and what I'm gonna do. Okay, so these small screws not holding usually good, losing fast, and it's always problem. So we're gonna drill the bigger hole and put a much stronger and better stainless steel screw. So this is the original. It's a screw inside this one. This one doesn't have any thread, and it's just a small like this, and it's usually not good. So we'll be changing this one with this kind of guy, and we'll drill the bigger hole. We already did it on a few machines and it's much better. Let me get outside, yeah, and it's got the lock nut, and put this one inside from the back, so that will help to get more stronger and better grip. Okay. So I'm gonna drill this one here, and this part I'm gonna lose this. There is 3 of those, one middle and then on the other side 3. I'm gonna lose them and I will drill it over here. It's much easier, but this one is fine. So I will drill it like this. So this one is just easily loose. So I will drill the hole like this on the bolt side here and there, and then the other part, this one, I will hook up here and do it. I will do the little video about this one too. Okay, ready to drill the hole. Over here is that small kind of things what is screw in, and I don't know if you can see. I will try, but there is not even much thread, so it's not really good like on both sides, so it's not too strong. It's very small, so I'm gonna drill the hole and make it bigger and stronger. So the one side is done and it's already much bigger and stronger for a hold. So I will do the other side and put everything on. Okay, so the big one is already on. If you can see a little bit this one from the other side, so it's like match pretty good and it's really strong. It will hold pretty good and it's easy to put on and take off. Hey, this is Joe at the Joe's Carpet Cleaning. I'm doing the RX20 rotation machine again. This time we do have quite a bit oil leaking. It's not much oil, it's just a little bit like down here, you know, just to get this simple mechanism to get some kind of like over here some kind of grease, you know, like oil. So it's not important to have too much oil, just a little bit. But when we pick this machine up like this from this area, we have a lot of leak oil. It's dropping. We have a few machines no oil at all. So the engine, make sure rotate good, yes. So over here, this is the top part. This area I try sealed, but it's not gonna work from outside. This needs to be, actually it's no seal at all, it's just sitting metal to metal. I'm not sure if they put something, maybe there was something, but when I open it, it's nothing. So I'm gonna use this red seal maker. I have it somewhere here, like over here, yeah, this one. You can use pretty much anything, I think. And I'm gonna seal the whole things around with even those little screw holes, so make sure the oil is not leaking. In the front we never have a leak, but always here in this back, and that's messing, you know. Oh, I got everything out, but it's messing with the open and closed. Actually I can show you. it's messing with these kind of mechanisms because it's dropping oil here, you know, and it's slipping and stuff, so it's causing trouble. And of course you don't want to be completely dry without oil. So just to put back sealing everything together and will be much better. I will do the whole machine like that, just make sure, because this outside I tried, it's not work. It's still find a way to leak the oil. It's dropping a little bit. All right, and I'm using this blue ceramic gear oil. I really like it. The machine is smooth and good. All right, that's all for today. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye. Okay, so got ready the seal on, close everything, put everything together, and hopefully we have no leaking. So we'll see. That should work. Hey, it's Joe with RX20 here, and today we'll be doing the over here, this part inside. It's vacuuming, so we'll be cleaning and resealing. After you take the head off, there is just those two. You remove the plate, and then those four you just lose it, and then wait a second, okay, and then we'll take the whole things, this one out. Okay, so now we got loose all here and the plate is gone, and it's right here, this plate and the screws. And right now to remove completely, we have another 3 9/16. It's 1 2 3. It's come from this side, so 1 2 3. Remove that, and then you can see the gap already here is losing, so we'll remove the whole things. Okay, so we have all these 3 loose, all these ones. So now we should be able to easily take this one down. And over here, this is the line inside. It's usually pretty bad. And over here, this part, it's like where you can get the air leak when you vacuum. So this one, it's sitting on this part here, not much sealing originally, probably, I don't know, and those is 𝐥𝐤𝐤. So this one needs to be good seal, so I will seal it pretty good and put it back everything. Okay, so we got to clean up the edge, smooth clean. This one is clean and nice and smooth. And then over here, it's a bad light, but this one is clean, and this edge, everything is smooth and clean now, so it can be good seal and good vacuum. Okay, so the seal is on, and just put together everything and we should be fine. This is the last machine. Okay, so I got everything on, the bolts is tied really good. We have some excess, the gasket, the sealing, which is we can wipe out, so it's inside, and of course it's gonna be here outside, so just to wipe out and things and sit pretty good. It will be fine, so I'll do that and then complete everything together, put this plate on and complete the machine, and that will be all. All right, okay, so all is finished, everything is sealed, everything is back, everything is tight, and everything looks good to me. So we have this kind of things around and all sealed, so should work good. All right, see you, bye bye. Hey everyone, this is me, Joe, and my lovely wife Oksana. Why are you laughing?